Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, we're going to talk about Bionic Reading. Now, first, let's see what is Bionic Reading. If we scroll down here, you can see some text here. This is what Bionic Reading looks like. So it basically is a way which converts your current text into this revised text where it highlights or makes bold some of the key parts of a letter in your text, so that way your brain remembers the rest of the word, and it kind of makes it easier to read the text, and it is makes your reading faster. So this is what Bionic Reading is for. Now I'm going to show you how you can download or add an extension to your Chrome browser to use this Bionic Reading on different websites. So for that, what you need to do is, this is the official website for Bionic Reading. So you need to go to this website here and then scroll down, and over here you see this BR Chrome extension. If you click on that, it will take you to this page over here. Now it might be in German, then you can click on English here to translate this into English if you want to. And here it gives you a button to add this to your Chrome extensions. So if you click on that, then it will give you a pop-up here. Just click on add extension, and now this extension has been added to your Chrome extensions. Just close this, and now once you've closed that, on the top this is your extensions button. If you don't have this, you can simply click on this, and then you'll see some all the extensions here. Alternatively, you can click on the three dots, go to settings, and then you have the option of extensions here. So here you can see your Bionic Reading extension is on, so you can always turn it on or off. So once you have this, next thing you need to do is click on this icon here, and then you need to click on the pin button. That will add or pin it to the taskbar or the bar on the top. So now let's say we have this article here, random one, and we want to switch it to Bionic Reading. All you need to do is click on this button of BR Bionic Reading. Just click on this, and I guess we'll have to reload this page to take for this extension to take effect. So just click on Bionic Reading now. Once you click on the button, it's going to take a couple of seconds. Sometimes it could take longer or short time, depends. So if you click on that, it's going to turn this page into a Bionic Reading page. So once it's done converting, you can see it has converted all the text into Bionic Reading format. You can see all the text over here. Now this kind of looks different, obviously, because I mean it has converted the text, but you can't see the rest of the content of the website. So this is a slight drawback for now, but I guess the team behind the Bionic Reading is working on making it making the changes directly on the website rather than converting this and showing a separate page like this. So I guess that would be more appropriate to show the changes on the main website. But anyways, you have some further options here as well to make it even more interesting. On the top, you can change the font as per your requirement. You have again some other options over here as well. You can change the line spacing. Over here you can make the text bigger or smaller as well. You can convert it into alphabets or the smaller size as well. So there are different options over here. You can also change the opacity. So all these options are available on the top to make changes to your specific text over here, which is down at the bottom. So these are different options available within the Bionic Reading. This is like their page where you can actually change the text as per your individual specific requirements as well. So this is a very useful tool. You can use this if you're a regular reader, or if you're reading some kind of article on the web, then this could be a really good addition and a good way for you to read even faster and more effectively. So that's all for today. Hope this video was helpful and you got the answer. You have some details about the Bionic Reading. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.